Eileen and Miss Linda again. And if you watched our video on composting, I wanted to show you what she's doing with her composting material. So, what are you doing, Miss Linda?
Well, I've got celery growing here.
Celery?
Celery.
How'd you do that?
Want to get a close-up?
I did.
I just took the end of the stalk and stuck it in the dirt. And this was probably a couple of weeks ago.
Wow.
And then I've got romaine lettuce growing. I did the same thing, and if you get right here, you can still see some of the bottom of it.
Well, that is so cool.
So since I have good compost, I'm going to add it to the soil.
And remind us what's in there?
Oh, a little bit of everything. Could be leaves, grass, newspaper, eggshells, lettuce. There's a piece of lettuce. Wonder if the lettuce will...
But it's high in nutrients, is that what you said?
Yes.
And like vitamins?
Yes, which the plants need. So I'm adding it here. See if it's magic and it makes this stuff grow.
Well, looks like it works pretty well.
So the celery's got a ways to go till it's big enough, a stalk is big enough to eat.
I've never seen such big celery leaves.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll have an idea for celery leaves. What else do you have in your backyard,
I
Miss
have some mint,
Miss Linda?
which
Mint?
smells yummy. You just take off a
Let me see. Put your bucket down.
leaf.
Yum. Thank you.
Smells really
wonderful.
You can put that. I like to put it in my iced tea.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got rosemary.
That's the best. I put it on chicken.
I put it on everything, in everything and on everything.
What are those funny
And I've
looking
got
monster things?
Aloe Vera, which is really good. It's got kind of sharp spikes, but if you take and break it off, the gel inside is very good medicine type. If you have a boo-boo, if you put it on, I like to put it on my face a lot of times.
Really?
Apparently you can eat it. I've not done that, but they sell aloe vera drink. And you
right.
just scoop this stuff out, and it's kind of the original slime.
Let me see. Yeah, I see that.
It won't hurt you. I mean, it's fine, and we've got a lot of it. Like for
grows real
burns,
well, huh?
burns and things.
Wow,
Like
that's
I
a great
said,
idea.
boo-boos, and I like to put it on my face. And if you put this in the refrigerator and make it cold, it feels really good on a hot day.
Huh. I could see that. But I want to point out this flower, Miss Linda. I love irises. These
Me
are
too.
beautiful. My favorite are purple, but this peach one is very pretty.
Purple ones haven't bloomed yet.
Oh, you have purple ones. All right, let's keep going around your garden here. Oh,
This
what's
is our
funny?
fig tree. Look at it.
Wow, that's a big
Come
tree.
about July, it will be loaded with figs.
What's this funny looking plant?
It's called an airplane plant.
It's because they're flying.
No, because it puts off these shoots. And if you plant each one of these shoots, you'd get another plant.
Well, that's cool.
So I like
You
those.
have a lot of those too.
I have at least 3 of them. See here, you can see the shoots better. We haven't done our spring
Well, that's cool.
thing. No,
Okay.
I don't know what goes on.
What else? A barbecue grill. You said you were growing chocolate, Miss Linda?
Chocolate mint.
Ah, chocolate mint. Silly Miss Eileen.
And that's good to put on to make things look pretty. Like pudding, you could put it on top of chocolate pudding.
That in your tea too?
You could put
Chop it up with strawberries, maybe?
You could.
Are you adding more
I'm
compost?
going to add some compost to this. See if I can't get. It's already grown so much in just a few weeks thanks to the rain we had. really, it was down below, and now it's.
Yeah,
This is good
mint
stuff.
grows crazy, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is good stuff. Like one of my neighbors wants some, so I can just break it off and give it to her, and she can grow her own mint plants.
That compost looks like it could go a long way.
It could. That was a half a thing, and
Wow. What do you think? Will show us anything else, Miss Linda? Are we good?
I think we're good.
You do have a great bird feeder, but there's no birds right now. But they do have a good time at the Gould house. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me and Miss Linda in her garden. Hope you have a great day.
Bye, guys.